We respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 013964. The court will follow your agreement. Court will find you guilty, sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And this will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013106. 2025 CR 013964. State versus David Hernandez. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galley for the state.
Megan Enriquez for David Hernandez.
And are you Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery and
Yes.
reviewed that with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hernandez, in each cause number, did you review what's entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, in cause number ending in 06, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are ready to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of controlled substance, PG1 less than 1 gram, and evading the punishment in those.
No objection. That's our understanding.
And then in cause number ending in 64, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
They're reading.
Any objections?
No objection, bench.
In each of those cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the state is proceeding on an offense that's a state jail felony, possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered into a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe he is and was.
Mr. Hernandez, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
In each cause number, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed under 1244 at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. There's an $800 fine, no applications, and the causes are to run concurrently. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 013964, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And cause number 2025 CR 013106, to the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State in each cause number, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's pleas?
Yes. State offers state's exhibit number 1 in each cause.
No objection.
State, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
In each cause number, the court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that he's prepared to put these things behind him. He's suffering from a number of medical conditions, and he wants to, move with where his mom lives and be with her and hopefully get adequate medical treatment for various things that he's struggling with right now. We respectfully ask the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 013964, the court will follow your agreement. Court will find you guilty, sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And this will run concurrent with 2025 CR 013106. And cause number 2025 CR 13106. Court will follow your agreement, find you guilty, sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrently with 2025 CR 013964. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing in either cause number?
Just to make sure that he has credit for time served and that the judgments are satisfied in each case.
All right, are the judgments satisfied?
Yes, I believe so.
All right. In each cause number, the court will show that the judgment is satisfied.
Nothing further from the defense. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Using drugs and having your mental health issues is a deadly combination, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even when your body is in the best of shape, using drugs is a deadly way to proceed, because the one or two things are going to end up happening to you if you don't get help and maintain your sobriety. Either you're going to end up spending the rest of your life in jail or in prison, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body, because the last time you used may be the last time you use. You understand? When you're released from custody, if you need help finding a transitional sober support housing, just come back here. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, James Madison, please.
All right. So I'm going to tell you, James Toshi and I had the same conversation. He's like, they didn't play anybody. So what he's going to do, he's going to get some attorneys to suit up and play Weber State. And so all of the male attorneys here are going to be on his team.
What was remember they had the fake high school football team that
So we shall see what will
we
happen.
could call that UT?
Ooh, that's wrong. Ooh. We'll
I
let
said it.
Jason know you said
I
that.
said it.
All right. So you are requesting jury trial.
Yes,
The jury trial for him is going to have to be in the new year.
that's how I was going to announce. Not ready, Judge. Previously we come to court. The state didn't have the witnesses, but apparently they turned up. So I want to make sure I go through all the evidence with my client, and we'll be ready to go whenever we come back.
All right. And how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
3 days, Your Honor.
5.
So with Robert Mauer, it's probably more like 2, but I'll give you
with all of
all
these trials.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date, 3 days.
January 12th.
That should work, Judge.
All right, and counsel, again, he'll be brought over in this attire. If you want something else, you'll need to inform them exactly
ma'am.
72 hours.
We'll
in
get it
advance.
set up. His mom's here. I'll talk to her.
All right, thank you.
Judge, if I could, well, this would take priority. I've got a case in the 226 that's about 3 years old, but it's a bond case.
Okay.
I'll let you talk to Judge Robertson about it.
Oh, yeah, it'll be fine.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.